In the previous video, we studied that 1 is neither prime nor composite because we cannot express 1 as a product of two factors, because 1 is equal to only 1 into 1. So it is having only one factor, that is 1. A number to be prime has to have two factors, that is, it should be divisible by 1 and it should be divisible by itself. Okay, a number to be prime has to have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, then 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. All these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Then what are the rest numbers known as? The rest numbers are known as composite numbers because they have more than two factors. Okay, so composite numbers is what? It is a mixture of both even and odd numbers. If we take 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, these are even composite numbers because they end with 4, 6, 8, 2, 0, isn't it? So all the numbers that end with 4, 6, 8, 2, 0 are even numbers. So these numbers are even composite numbers. Now, if I take 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, these are the odd composite numbers. They are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So, these numbers are the odd composite numbers. Okay. Now, we are going to study some important facts about the prime numbers. The first one is that number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then second fact is that number 2, that is the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number because rest all even numbers are divisible by 2. So only 2 is the even prime number. Then all other even numbers are composite numbers because they are divisible by 2. Every prime number except 2 is an odd number. See, I said 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then 2 is the smallest even prime number. Okay, this is the smallest prime number, this is the first prime number, so the smallest one, and it is the even prime number. Rest all even numbers are composite numbers. Clear? Then I said that every prime number except 2 is an odd number. See, 3, 5, all prime numbers except 2. 2 is the only even number. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. All the remaining prime numbers are what? They are odd numbers. Understood? Composite numbers need not be even. It is not necessary that the composite number has to be even. Why? Because we have 9 over here as the composite number and this is the smallest odd composite number, isn't it? 9 is the smallest odd composite number. 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. The first odd composite number is what? 9. So 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay. Now, every prime number except 2 is an odd number. Except 2, all other are odd numbers. Okay, then composite numbers need not be even. It is not necessary that all composite number has to be even. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. We have 9 here as the odd number and it is the composite number. We have 15 as the odd number, which is the composite number. Then we have 21 over here as the odd number, which is a composite number. So it is not necessary that composite numbers has to be even. Okay, then every even number greater than 4 can be expressed as a sum of two odd prime numbers. For example, if we take 8, okay, 8 is a composite number that is greater than 4. So I can write 8 as a sum of two prime numbers, that is 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so every even number that is greater than 4, take for example 12. Okay, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 is also even number that is greater than 4, and it is expressed as the sum of two odd prime numbers. 5 and 7 are the two odd prime numbers, and we can write 12 is equal to 5 plus 7 odd prime numbers. Clear? Then when we will solve in the exercises, it will become more clear. Okay. We understood what prime and composite numbers are. Now we will understand what twin prime number is. Okay, 3 and 5. We have prime numbers as 2, 3, 5. Okay, take for example 3 and 5. 3 and 5, the difference between 3 and 5 is how much? The difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Okay, then go to the next, 5 and 7. Difference is how much? 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 11 and 13. 11, 13 both are prime numbers and the difference is 2. 17, 19. Both prime numbers, difference is 2. 29, 31. Both prime numbers, difference is 2. Okay, so two prime numbers which differ by 2 are known as twin primes. When the difference between two prime numbers is 2, then those two prime numbers are said to be twin primes. Clear? They form a pair of consecutive odd numbers. Okay, 3 and 5. These two are two consecutive odd numbers and the difference is 2. Okay? 5 and 7, different two consecutive odd numbers and the difference is 2. So two prime numbers which differ by 2 are twin prime and they form a pair of consecutive odd number. Consecutive odd number means one after the other. If I write odd numbers, I write 3, 5, 7. Consecutive odd numbers, after 3 it is 5. Okay, difference 2. After 5 it is 7, difference 2. Consecutive pair of odd numbers. Clear? Then prime triplet. 3 prime numbers, 3 consecutive prime numbers which differ by 2. Okay, 3, 5, 7 are 3 consecutive prime numbers whose difference is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So a set of 3 prime numbers differing by 2 form a prime triplet. And this is the 3, 5, 7 is the only prime triplet. Okay, this is the only prime triplet. But we have more twin primes other than this what is written over here. So you are going to find out those twin primes and I'll ask you in the class. Then what are co-prime numbers? A pair of two numbers which have no common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have no common factor other than 1. 2 and 3. These are the two prime numbers. What is the common factor between them? Common factor between them is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Common factor is 1. 3 and 4. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. But the common factor is what? 1. So 3 and 4. Similarly, 3, 5, 3, 7, 2, 5, 2, 7, 4, 9, 5, 9. These are numbers. There are more also. These numbers are co-prime numbers because they are a pair of two numbers which have no other common factor except 1. Only 1 is the common factor between them. So co-prime numbers need not be prime number themselves. It is, see, 9 over here, 4 over here. Are they prime numbers? No, they are not prime numbers. They are composite numbers. But they don't have a common factor between them except 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1s are 4. For 9 we can write 9 1s are 9. 3 3s are 9. What is the common factor? Common factor is only 1. Okay. So, to be a co-prime number, it is not necessary that the number has to be a prime number. It can be a composite number, but those two numbers have to have only 1 as their common factor. Right? Only condition for two numbers to be co-prime is that it should be only divisible by 1, not by any other number. These two numbers are divisible only by 1. If I find out the factors for 4, 9, I get only 1 as their common factor and no other number is common for them. Clear? It should be only divisible by 1 in common. Okay, means that these two numbers can be divisible by other numbers, but when I take these two numbers together, they will have only 1 as their common divisor, not any other number. Then the numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Clear?